At Midway Dodge, we know you are looking for a vehicle to solve everyday tasks. Whether loading the kids' soccer equipment or having a night out with your friends, you will have the room you need, making those everyday tasks and ease to accomplish. You will love this classic silver metallic 2011 Toyota RAV4, equipped with a 4-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Enjoy an exceptional 27 miles to the gallon on this family SUV with features like MP3 player, tilt steering wheel, cruise control, single CD player, dual airbags, ABS anti-lock brakes, traction control, and much more. Enjoy the drive, feel safe, and have peace of mind in this 2011 Toyota RAV4. See us at Midway Dodge today.